Much like this barren wasteland, my YouTube channel has pretty much been the same over the past couple of years. Just recycling the same old garbage material and it's frozen, cold wasteland and dead to viewers. But you know what? Unlike this frozen wasteland, I'm making a comeback, baby. I'm gonna have lots of great material coming fresh at you, unlike this crap snow we got here today. Woo! You know, with all this cold weather, it makes you really wonder, what are the goats up to? Like, what happened to all the goats? Did they just like get buried or something? Those poor helpless little animals out there trying to munch the grass that's been buried by 20 inches of snow. We shall check out and see how they are doing with this storm. There may be a travel ban, but I'm hopping on the bandwagon. Get it? I'm alive! So remember, kids, whether you're down low or trapped inside your car with no hope of escape, or just chilling on a chair on a nice winter's evening, snow sucks no matter which way you put it. And with this, I do you a goodbye.